Welcome to Storybooks Network channel. Happier emotions are fostered by simple activities like practicing appreciation or hanging out with friends, according to researchers at the University of British Columbia. Whether you need to get away from pessimistic ideas or just want to keep up a positive attitude, there are lots of ways you can increase your happiness quotient every day. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell symbol, then select All Notifications, to never miss a video upload from us. 1. Regularly express gratitude. People who take the time to jot down a few good things about their day tend to be happier, healthier, and more energized, and they also sleep better. It has been demonstrated that feeling grateful has benefits beyond elevating your mood, it can improve your health as well. Science shows that it is the tiny, everyday encounters with God that make us happier. 2. Surround yourself with positive people. Living near a happy person increases your own happiness by 25%, according to a groundbreaking 2008 study. Reach out to a friend who often has a more upbeat outlook if you're feeling low. When you need a little bit of positive reinforcement, reach out to individuals who also experience it. Your brains contain mirror neurons that will essentially imitate what another person is expressing. 3. Regularly perform deeds of kindness. Any simple act of kindness can brighten someone's day. According to research, practicing tiny acts of kindness and spending money on others make us happier than doing the same for ourselves. Here are some simple ways to be kind to those around you, and how you can show you're thinking about others in a positive way. When you choose your next cup of coffee, say, "Thank you," sincerely. Give clothing to a nearby shelter. Assist a senior neighbor with yard chores. To share with your coworkers, bake some dessert. 4. Increase your time spent with friends and family. Loneliness and limited social engagement can both be twice as harmful to your health as smoking 15 cigarettes each day. One of the secrets to longevity may be friendships, according to a study by the University of British Columbia, UBC. Call a friend over your lunch break or, if you can, go for a walk with them. Think about asking your friend to run errands with you on the weekend. 5. Invest in experiences, not objects. When you spend your money on experiences rather than buying things, you're more likely to feel positive about the experience and keep positive feelings in your mind for a longer amount of time. So think about trying a new yoga class or going to the movies instead of buying that new pair of jeans. Some of you may find it hard to see the positive side of things if you're dealing with mental health issues or chronic stress, so we've put together a list of tips to help you focus on positive aspects of everyday life. In the upcoming videos, we'll look at various topics. Thank you for taking the time to watch our channel.